Hey everybody, today we're going to continue 4.7, which is transforming formulas, and yesterday we went over this, and I can't stress enough how much practicing these is going to make them doable. And for every odd, the one that comes right after it that's even will be done very similarly to it. So 15, this is a good example of what 16 should look like. And we're solving for A, okay, which means our goal is to get A equals whatever, all right? What this literally means is n divided by 2 is being multiplied by this, okay? And you might think, well, I'm going to distribute that. Instead of doing that, which is too much work, we are going to divide n over 2 out by multiplying by its reciprocal, 2 over n. Okay, so over here, it cancels out. What that leaves me over here, 2 over n multiplied by s, and you can think of that as s over 1, is equal to 2s divided by n equals what's left, a plus l. And remember, we're trying to get a by itself, and we're slowly getting close to that. If we subtract l, we now have a equals the fraction 2s over n minus l. That is your answer for number 15. 16 is extremely similar. I can't stress that enough. 17. I'm going to try and do as many of these as I can. 17. A is equal to v minus u over t, and we are solving for v, which currently is trapped in the denominator of that fraction with the u. First thing we need to clear up is this t. Multiply both sides by t over 1, and you now have a multiplied by t is equal to v minus u. The t's canceled each other out here, and I just rewrote it because I like the word at better than ta. We're working on now still identifying what v equals, not what v minus u equals. So if we add u to both sides, we're left with v equals a times t plus u. And this will help you with number 18. Okay, 19. 19, we're trying to extract, let's see, v squared equals u squared plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by s, and we're solving for s. See this u squared over here? That's a positive. Okay? You might not realize it, but that's a positive. If I subtract that u squared from both sides, I now have v squared minus u squared is equal to 2 multiplied by a multiplied by s. 2 multiplied by a multiplied by s. Instead of multiplying, we're going to divide out our 2a. That cancels these out, giving me s is equal to u squared minus v squared over 2a. Incidentally, this one really doesn't match with number 20, but I will tell you, number 20 is very similar to number 15. So, and number 20. Okay? 21. Add about the halfway mark here. Here's 21. S is equal to A over A minus R. And we're solving for R. This one takes a little bit of work, not too bad though. We're going to multiply both pieces by A minus R, which gives me S A minus S R equals A. Let's factor that. S A. No, I don't want to do that. You're going to think I'm ridiculous. This is a lot of work. Okay, it's the R that we're searching for, right? We're going to add SR, SA equals A plus SR. Subtract A. SA minus A
Jennifer and Chloe to the front.
Equals SR. Divide by S, divide by S. And I now have SA minus A over S is equal to R. I know that's an annoying one. And there's your answer. It's a lot of work. That's number 21. 23. Big F, this one's annoying because you've got big F's and little f's, is equal to little f times g over little f plus little g minus little d. And they want me to solve for the little d, which is this. We're going to have to do a lot of that same business. Get this out from that denominator. So we're going to multiply by f plus g minus d here. And we're going to multiply over here, f plus g minus d over here, which is going to look like this. ff plus fg minus fd equals, what's left on the right? fg, right? Little f, little g. And remember, I am seeking that d. Okay? So I'm going to add fd because it's going to work a little easier by itself. And I'm going to subtract fg. Little f, little g. Okay? So it disappears from here and goes over there. This disappears from here and heads to the left. Big F little f, big F, little g, minus little f, little g is equal to big F, little d. If I divide by big F, and if I factor here, f times f plus g minus fg equals d. I cancel this out here. I have a different, slightly different answer than they have. Oh wait, no I don't. I'm looking at the wrong one. 23. So I have f plus g over 1 because it canceled. Minus